Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today for our live stream on using AI in public comments analysis. We'll be featuring our Comments AI tool. This is the second webinar we've had on artificial intelligence in a series that we're running this summer. And please note that today's meeting will be recorded. All right, so we have a few panel members here. We have Mark Turner, President and CEO of Optimal Solutions Group, Prathamesh Sharma, Data Science and Research Associate, and here we go. All right, so the recording is starting. All right, and I first want to start by saying we've had some tremendous contributions from our teams, whether our data science or analytics, software development, communications, our education project teams. You want to send a special hello to them, especially to Jasmine today, who's kind of the Wizard of Oz behind the scenes. Thanks, Jasmine. All right. So just for those of you who don't know about Optimal, we've been around for 20 years. We're located at the University of Maryland. We're a small research, analytics, and software development firm. Our mission is to enable real-time data-driven policy decision-making. And so it's a natural course for us to look at artificial intelligence and machine learning to make that happen. All right, next slide. All right, very quickly, we're going to spend about 15 to 20 minutes talking about AI public comments processing, presenting to our audience, but then we want to open up for Q&A, and we'll save some time for that for about 10 minutes. We'll go through actually what is comments analysis in the proposed rules stage, and then how you can automate data collection, analysis, and reporting, and the 10 steps that our tool makes it easier for you to be able to do this, so it's more intuitive and not difficult to do. All right, so we'll do we'll recap on what is generative AI. Many of you know it's a large language model. Algorithms measure the proximity of words to each other. GPT-4, released in March, has trillions of parameters versus the version that we were all using late last year and early this year, GPT-3, which means it's exponentially better, which is why it's getting all this buzz. And we've also heard about the tendencies for it to hallucinate and kind of imagine things. And so today's webinar or live stream is really going to focus on, how you can use it constructively. We've had a previous AI, generative AI seminar in the past that we'll drop a link into. And one of the things that we talked about was being able to train AI. We created our own bot called the OptiBot to do that, to work within knowledge boundaries and work on a specific corpus to give reasonable and responsible kind of results. And so, Mark, I'm going to hand it off to you. And if you want to talk a little bit about that.
Sure. Thank you, Tracy. So the Administrative Procedure Act requires agencies to give interested persons an opportunity to participate in rulemaking through submission of written data, views, or arguments. In other words, comments. Agencies must consider all relevant comments and make them available in a public docket. Next slide. So our Comments AI tool provides a unified system for managing the collection, analysis, and reporting associated with the proposed rulemaking stage and comments analysis process. Moreover, Comments AI uses AI and other data science tools to operationalize best practices, which includes, as you'll see in a few minutes, duplicate identification, identifying and flagging computer-generated comments, as well as flagging falsely attributed comments. And it makes it easy for you, government agencies, to conduct a transparent analysis and reporting.